How to make money with OfferVault CPA marketing platform. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I show you how to make money with OfferVault step by step. I explain for people who don't know what OfferVault is and how to use it, also understanding how OfferVault simplifies the process of searching for affiliate offers by centralizing them in one platform. So, Overvault is an affiliate marketing tool that can help you find affiliates and cost per action, CPA offer, that what I mean, and it's mean search engine that scouts over plus 60 networks, and it's a tool for affiliate marketers and bloggers that are looking for ad campaign that they can promote. So, come guys, let's take a look at the website to understand more. So here we have the website, offervault.com. You'll have here on the top of the website login and register, advertise, add your network, help, free training. These two things is for your added offers on advertising. You just need to fill out this first name, your last name, your network name, network URL, and email, and then your password. Then you confirm your password and the Skype if you have it, and phone. And you need here to just answer to these two questions. And here we have free training. It's led you to a YouTube channel of Overvault, and this homepage, as you can see, there is a lot of offers and the commission you'll get for each sale. And here we have the countries, if the offer is targeted to a specific country, and finally the network providing this offer. You'll have here, as you can see, a search bar if you want to search for a specific product or network. And then besides, you can specify the results obtained through the filters. That mean identify the offers from specific networks here, or specific one in categories, or you can just select the country to know if the offer is working in your country or not. So, for example, we can select the first one, for example, United States. As you can see, the offer or offers will appear. So, moving to how to sign up on the website. So you can just click here on register, located at the top of the homepage as I mentioned before. So then you'll here fill out this field, your first name, your last name, your email, your password. Then you confirm your password and you select the country. And if you have Skype account, you write it here. If you don't have it, it's okay, you can submit without it. So returning to the offers, precisely choose the offer you want to promote. To more understand, for example, I'll choose a category. For example, here I would choose, for example, let's choose e-commerce. As you can see, every single offer here is full of information for you to like to access and help you to select or evaluate the one suits you more. So here the network will ask you to sign in. You're not exactly signing Overvault, you're just signing to this particular network over here, which then allows you to do the job. So just to let you know that when someone completes a specific cost per action, like for example submitting an email phone number, when someone completes using your link or your page or coming from your traffic, you'll then end up making money. That's how basically CPA marketing works. And so now aside of that, there is also another stuff related to offers. We have here affiliate network and pay-per-call offers. Also, we have here mobile offers and traffic sources. As you can see, there is a lot of information related to the product. There is a name, types, mobile, and retargeting, for example, if it's retargeting or not, and self-serve, if it's self-serve or not. And this is it. So let's turn into the offers and select the category that we mentioned before, e-commerce, and select the first one. For example, as you can see, there is the name of the product and offer details. There is the offer name and payout, and the preview. We have here the preview landing page. You can just click and have the landing page, and here we have the categories, network and last update and countries. So here we will click on preview, just click over here and have the landing page. Moving to, if you wanna sign up or wanna get a job, just run offer here, click on run offer and click here on sign up. So we will just, as you can see here, there is a lot of information related to process of sign up. So here we have um, a lot of cases. We have here first name, last name, email, and email confirmation. We have here phone numbers, and we have here legal entity type and name. We have here the address, the first address, apartment or house or whatever, city, postal code, and here we have country, and here we have the additional information. All you have is to fill out this all stuff, and then you agree or you accept to the bond, and then you apply if you wanna get this job. But how do we attract the largest number of customers? The way you present the product is what attracts your customers. For example, if you have an important number of followers in social media, that will help you to reaching out to your customers. And if you don't have it, you can just use Google Ads campaign, making the marketing using Pinterest, for example, for finding the picture of product, and also ChatGPT if you wanna describe your product. So as you see, guys, that's it for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.